The Palos Verdes blue butterfly is really special. It's our local champion, and really it's symbolic of a greater diversity of ecosystem that we're trying to reintroduce and restore to this landscape.
This butterfly is potentially the rarest butterfly in the world. It actually did go extinct. Early mid-80s they rediscovered it in '94 over in San Pedro.
So we've been trying to rescue this species since the 90s. We thought it was extinct for a while, and then it was found in a Navy base, and we worked with the Navy to rescue the last individuals, and then several groups stepped in to help.
I'm really excited to be here representing Moorpark College, America's Teaching Zoo, Urban Wildlands Group, and many federal and state and local entities that work together. My aspect is the rearing of the captive population. The first year that I had students, we took the population to over 4,000. We wouldn't be able to feed our captive stock without the plants that are provided to us by PVPLC. Past that, the restoration work that the Conservancy does gives us the best part of this entire job, which is when all the partners get together on a beautiful day like today, and this beautiful moment where they're flying free again and the exact historic spot where they belong. Without all the partners, we can't do that.
Hopefully the butterflies that are released then mate and lay eggs, and then more butterflies come out the next year, and if you keep doing that over time, eventually the idea is you have a viable population.
And it's not just a matter of rearing some butterflies and sending them out into the habitat. You have to restore the habitat to make it ready.
So the Palos Verdes blue butterfly rely on two host plant species. One is called deerweed and the other is called rattlepod. And our staff and volunteers have gone into the nature preserves to hand pick the seeds from these two species. The seeds we collect from the wild, we bring back to our native plant nursery, where we propagate them and grow them up throughout the year. We provide some of those plants to Jana Johnson and her team at Moorpark for the rearing activities. And then the other plants we put throughout our restoration projects.
I've been involved in restoring habitat for the butterflies for something approaching 30 years. And it's just really gratifying, both as a volunteer and as a member of the Land Conservancy Board, to see the progress that we've made. This peninsula, before the Conservancy was established, had been losing habitat for decades and decades. The Conservancy was really the first systematic effort to do anything about preserving habitat and to recognize that there were species here that weren't found anywhere else.
Being part of this release is very rewarding. We were able to witness them land, fly away, some mating activity that was really exciting. We're so grateful for the partnership with the City of Rancho Palos Verdes, Moorpark, PVPLC, all the collaborators who helped make this happen.
So the fact that you can take a species that at one point was thought to be gone, never to be seen again, and now it's out and you can see it, you can just walk and just find it. It's like, that's as cool as it gets in conservation. That's why we do everything we do.